Whoa, what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog game. Matty as always. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. You know the drill, how that goes, right? So we are working on the Corvette one more time. I think the last upload, I don't know, I'm mixing a lot. I'm waiting for my headlight for the truck. We fixed the last problem. I'm waiting for the new headlights, as you guys know. And we're also gonna do the paint match. If you didn't watch the video where I talked to Ray, and thank you so much for all the feedback you guys gave me about the ideas for the paint match. We have a bunch of ideas, and I think what are we gonna do? We're definitely gonna keep the gloss black still going on. I know a lot of you guys are not too happy with it, but bear with me, it's a trial. I think the truck needs a little change, and why not trying to do a color match? I have seen a lot of trucks and I always want to do a paint color match, so just bear with me, right? Bear with me. We're gonna make, if it doesn't work, we can always go back, just paint in black or just wrap it. We have options, right? But today's upload, it's gonna be about the Corvette. If you didn't watch the video where I plastic dip the wheels, look at that. I'm sorry if I didn't explain exactly which color it is. It's bronze. It's matte bronze. I got that from gprcar.com, and I know the camera doesn't do it adjusts as it should, but it looks so good though in person. Look at that, looks so good. I'm trying to make the camera looking nice. I cannot stop looking at this car since I did that, and I think that got me excited to make more videos about it. And today we're gonna install the side skirts. And the first thing we need to do to install the side skirts is we need to jack up the car, lose some screws on the bottom and here on the side, and should be a plug and play. I think the side skirts are gonna change a lot. I got those side skirts from the same place. I got the wing and I got the front splitter. The front splitter, I didn't make a video on it, but as you guys can see, it's a pretty big front splitter. You don't need to paint, at least I don't, unless you want a color match. But because I'm going with this black and red thing going on, you don't need to paint. The same thing with the side skirts, you don't need to paint. One thing I did though, I removed the vinyl from the roof and the halo. See, you still can see the scratch. To be honest, I like the fact you can see through it. It's nice. The only reason why I put it, it's because it's looking really bad. You see all the scratches, and you have here all the scratches as well. So just to cover that, and also when my wife was riding with me, she doesn't like how hot it gets inside. So, you know, you always have to please your wife, as you guys know. That's other subject. Now let's put the car in jack stands and let's start working on this bad boy. So you basically have 4 screws, 2 in the back, 1 over there, 1 underneath it, those 2 in the front. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean before we apply, because what do we have to do? We're gonna put it like 3M tape all around, and then put the side skirts first with tape, and then we're gonna put the screws on. All right, so but everything needs to be clean. Now we gotta apply 3M tape, which they don't send you. You need to buy it. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you want one. So it's not included on the kit, unfortunately. What we have to do is attach the OEM bolts. Just make sure it fits well. We're just gonna pull the tape, make sure it's really there, and then we're gonna put a bunch of screws on those holes here. See, 1, 2, there are a bunch. They provide those screws, so we should be fine. Let's do it. I thought the camera was recording, but it wasn't. So I removed the tape holding there with the bolts, but I removed the tape. But now what are we gonna do? We're gonna screw the ones that they provide, which is this one here, and it should be it. The only thing is you gotta drill a lot of holes in your car. If you're fine with it, the job is not that difficult. Of course, it's super dirty. I don't know how much the camera it's showing, but I'm gonna repeat the process to the other side. The other side, I'm just gonna show a time lapse, and we should be done. Let me switch cameras because this camera here, it's horrible on low lights, and as you guys can see, it's so dark. So let's switch cameras. All right, this one's a little better. It's night, you see how better it is? Side skirts installed. Unfortunately, I cannot put the car outside, but dude, it's looking good. It's looking good. What do you guys think about this angle? And you know what is funny? I didn't spend too much money to change the car completely. I don't know if you guys remember, a year ago this car was totally different. Maybe I'll do like how much I spent to get the car where it is. Don't forget, I have the corbel seats inside. I have all the carbon deep console and stuff. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Just a little rundown for you guys. I paid $149 free shipping for both sides. Came with all the hardware. The fitment, it's okay. It's not perfect. Of course, it's not perfect because, you know, it's a cheap one. But extremeonline.com. So that's where I got from. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think it was a quick upload. I don't know until I start editing. So I hope you guys enjoy. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. And as always, enjoy your life and work hard for it. I was editing this video. This is like probably 2 days later, 3 days later. I don't even remember because I'm not getting any sleep. But I realized showing you guys in the garage wasn't the best option. So I'm just put an extra bonus here if you are watching until the very end. That's how it's looking on the like daylight. That's how it's looking like with the side skirts. Looks good, right? So I drove the car for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 days and no issues at all. As you guys can see, there's the roof is off. Whatever is like, if it's a nice day, I normally drive with the roof off. And I just want to put this extra bonus here in case you are watching. So a lot of people don't watch until the very end. So I just thought, you know, I'll give you some reward watching on a daylight. Of course, the car has been changed a lot since I got it, and now I'm getting ready to do some work inside, which I'm gonna put the shift boot and the e-brake boot with red stitching so we can seal the deal. And that's it, boys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching till the very end. I hope the camera is going through good. I mean, it's really hard to show, especially the wheels though. I wish you guys could see in person because it's just a completely different car. But I'll catch you guys next upload, maybe with more Corvette stuff. I'm still waiting for my headlights to come in, and I have a surprise with the truck headlights. All right, catch you guys later.